Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth just stopped spinning? A fascinating thought, isn't it? Our planet, this colossal sphere whirling through the cosmos, spins on its axis every 24 hours, giving us the rhythm of day and night. It's an essential part of our existence. But did you know our Earth's rotation is decelerating, albeit gradually? It's a process so slow that it would take billions of years to notice any significant change. But it's happening. The Earth's rotation is slowing down. The days are getting longer, albeit by fractions of a second. In our daily lives, we don't feel the spinning of the Earth because everything around us, the atmosphere, the oceans, they're all spinning with us. But what if that spinning suddenly stopped? What if this giant ball we call home came to a grinding halt? It's a mind-boggling concept, but let's delve into it. Let's imagine for a moment, what if the Earth stopped spinning abruptly? To understand the consequences, we first need to understand why the Earth spins. Let's time travel back to around 4.5 billion years ago, when our planet was just beginning to form. It was a period of chaos in the solar system, with celestial bodies colliding and fragments flying everywhere. One such collision involved a Mars-sized body, often referred to as Theia, smashing into the young Earth. This colossal impact set our planet spinning, much like how a spinning top gains momentum when you flick it. But why does the Earth continue to spin after all these billions of years? Well, there's a fundamental principle of physics at play here, known as the conservation of angular momentum. This principle states that if no external torque acts on a system, the total angular momentum remains constant. So, since there are no external forces strong enough to significantly alter Earth's rotation, it continues to spin with the momentum from that initial impact sustained over billions of years. So, the Earth spins because of the way it was formed, but what if that spinning just stopped? If the Earth were to stop spinning suddenly, the results would be catastrophic. Now, let's dive a little deeper and examine the effects on gravity. You see, our planet isn't a perfect sphere, it's an oblate spheroid, meaning it's slightly flattened at the poles and slightly bulging at the equator. This is due to the centrifugal force generated by our planet's rotation. If Earth were to halt abruptly, this force would no longer be at play. As a result, gravity would pull everything inwards, causing everything to weigh more at the equator than at the poles. Let's not forget about the atmosphere and oceans, which would still be moving at the same speed as before the world stopped spinning. This would cause massive winds and tsunamis, creating a scene of chaos and destruction. And then there's the Earth's shape. You might not know this, but if the Earth stopped spinning, it would become more of a perfect sphere over time. This is because without the centrifugal force of its rotation, the excess mass at the equator would be pulled towards the poles by gravity. This reshaping would result in massive flooding at the equator as the oceans redistribute themselves. Meanwhile, new land would be exposed at the poles, potentially revealing a world that has been hidden beneath ice for millions of years. In the face of such drastic changes, life as we know it would be completely upended. Weather patterns would shift dramatically, possibly making parts of the planet uninhabitable. Entire ecosystems could collapse, and the effects on human civilization would be unimaginable. In short, it would be a world we wouldn't recognize, a world in turmoil. So, as you can see, the Earth's rotation isn't just about giving us day and night. It's a beautifully complex dance of cosmic forces, a testament to the way our planet was formed, spinning with a grace and consistency that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. But let's not forget, this rotation is gradually slowing down, an infinitesimal decline that takes millions of years to notice. If this process were to abruptly halt, the effects would be catastrophic. Gravity, our protective atmosphere, and the vast oceans all would be thrown into disarray. The equilibrium we take for granted would shatter, causing global chaos. Yet this isn't meant to instill fear but to inspire appreciation. To remind us of the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on our spinning home. A balance that is maintained by forces beyond our control, yet whose effects we experience every single day. So, the next time you watch the sun rise or set, remember the incredible forces at work that make it all possible. Our spinning Earth.